recently changed out these stock Gorgon wheels for these Duratrax Hatchet MTs, and I do like these better than the stocks. But my friends at RCAWD Wheel Drive said, hey, we have a set of wheels and tires for the Gorgon we'd like to send you to try out. I'm not gonna say no. So here they are. Let's take them out and take a closer look at them, compare them to the stock wheel. Here they are side by side. We have roughly 128 millimeters. And then that one we have 128 as well. Check the width here. We have about 67 millimeters wide, and the RCAWD Wheel Drives are about 66. So pretty similar in width as well. And if we compare the weight, there's only a 9-gram difference in weight. But these come pre-glued with some foam in, and they're vented. The Gorgon comes stock with 14 millimeter hexes. These are only 12 millimeter hexes, but that's okay. They include a set of 12 millimeter hexes, so you can switch out your stock ones with these aluminum ones. So let's get the hatchets off and get these RCAWD Wheel Drive ones on. Okay, got one side on now. I wasn't sure how I'd like them compared to the Duratrax. I didn't think it could look any better than what it looked like with these hatchets, but it's looking good with these RCAWD Wheel Drives. So let's get this other side on here. All right, I know on the Duratrax, I had a tire, wasn't glued on straight, it's kind of wobbly. Yeah, these aren't bad. These are spinning pretty straight. And let's check the back tires. Do we have a wobble with them? No, not too bad. Let's go bash this thing on the new designed backyard track. I reconfigured it. This will be the first run on the track, and we'll see how good these tires are. We're ready to go here on 3S. All right, let's do an actual run on the track here. Whoa. Come down here, then I'm gonna use that as a berm. Now we hit this big single here. Around the berm, let's go up. Does slide around. It's slid around a lot with the Duratraxes and even the stock tires. Two-wheel drive, you're always going to have traction issues. See, as soon as I want to get on it, it spins out. There we go, finally got a good run there. There we go. Whoa, yeah. I think I'm just gonna hang out here on this jump. This one I can really get some air with. Whoa, front flip. I did not try and do a front flip, but that was awesome. Whoa. Oh, right on the pipe there. Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out here. This is the best part of the track. Oh, whoops. A little too hot into that turn there. All right. Whoa.
that is it. I'm gonna end it there. I'm having a lot of fun. The Gorgon is taking the beating, but so are the RC all-wheel drive wheels. Few hard slams there. They didn't break. Of course, results may vary for different people, different levels of bashing, but I feel like I put this through a decent little bash session, and the RC all-wheel drive tires are pretty good. So I like these wheels and tires that RC all-wheel drive sent me. Looking at the tires, I did have the glue separate from the wheel and the tire, so I'm gonna have to re-glue that. Well, that'll be it for this video. So click that subscribe button, and I hope you join me on the next video.